So first, business background. Let me introduce you to the Malu-Malu Cafe. This cafe is a sole proprietorship owned by Encik Raja Zahari bin On Daniel. Malu-Malu Cafe is located at 29 Jalan Hepa 11A 42300, Bandar Puncak Alam, Selangor. Established with the vision of providing a relaxing space for customers to enjoy premium coffee and delectable treats, the cafe has become a favorite spot for local and tourists alike. The next part is business characteristic of Malu-Malu Cafe through the aspect basic of business that provide food and beverage service. First of all, the business nature of Malu-Malu Cafe highlight main activity by serving food and drinks. Secondly, Malu-Malu Cafe focus on customer by emphasizing serving a diverse customer group including family, student and office worker with a menu featuring Malay and Western dishes for lunch and dinner. Third, an organizational structure that is recognized as important element for running a business that works to deal with issues related to human resource and outline management authority to ensure that the company effectively and efficiently. This combination of focus area demonstrates a structural approach to meeting customer needs while maintaining operational clarity and control.
Now I'm going to talk about business model canvas. Malu-Malu Cafe use business model canvas to describe, plan, explore and improve business model. It is visual framework that can be divided into 9 elements. First element is key partner. Key partner is external company that involved in business operation. For example, supplier and customer. Second is revenue stream. Revenue stream define how the business receives money from the customer. For example, Malu-Malu Cafe generate income from the sale of food and beverage that they offer. Third element is key activities. Key activities is basic procedure that company should take action for the business to run smoothly. For example, Malu-Malu Cafe serve food and beverage with a focus on the quality. Next is key source. Key source is important asset to run the business. For example, employees, restaurant, capital, and funds. Number 5 is unique offer. It's referred to special deal that business offer to attract customer. For example, standard and affordable price and use fresh ingredients. 6 is customer relationship. Malu-Malu Cafe build strong relationship with customer by maintaining good quality of food and beverage and hire friendly staff. Next, number 7, customer segment. It's referred to different group of people that business serve, which includes families, students, and office workers. Next, cost structure is about main expense that involved in operating business. For example, general and administration, sales and marketing, research and development. And lastly, channels, the way business bring value to customer. For example, Malu-Malu Cafe connect with the customer through social media, which helps the business reach a larger audience. Classification of business item. Business item are any tangible and intangible element that involve in business activities, process and operation. These items include asset, liabilities, revenues, expenses and capital. For the month ended July 2024, Malu-Malu Cafe record their asset that can be divided by 2 categories, which is current asset that consists cash, bank and raw materials. Also, non-current asset that consists machineries and furnitures. Malu-Malu Cafe also record their current liabilities, which is account payable. Furthermore, for revenue, they have sales. Other than that, they also has expenses, which is wages and salaries and utilities. As for the last business activities, Malu-Malu Cafe record their capital as an owner's equity.
If you can see that this is the accounting transaction for July 2024. Business transaction is a financial transaction between 2 and more parties that involve the exchange of goods, money and service. Transaction need to be recorded as a historical reference. It's helping business evaluate past performance and plan for the future. This is also useful for analyzing growth pattern and identifying area for improvement.
The second step of the accounting cycle is recording. Basically, recording is one of the most crucial parts in the accounting process. Why do we need to do the recording process? By doing so, we can know the accuracy of financial statement by evaluate performance of the company because it allows business to track their own financial performance. Other than that, by doing the recording process, we can prevent from fraud to happen. Recording transaction regularly will help to prevent fraud by making it easier to spot any unusual or suspicious activity. How to do the recording process? First of all, based on all the Malu-Malu Cafe's transaction for this month, we need to do a journal. A journal is a detailed record of all financial transactions of a business. It is the first place where transactions are recorded before they are posted to the ledger. Okay, what is the importance of the journal and why do we need to do the journal? By doing the journal, we can organize its financial data. Journal helps to organize transactions into debit and credit, making it easier to classify and summarize the financial data.
The step of accounting cycle that we do before proceed to trial balance is classify into ledger. A ledger is a principal book and computer file where a company financial transactions are recorded in detail under specific categories and accounts. Based on our transaction for this month, we have 11 ledger which is cash, equipment, capital, machinery, account payable, second-hand new returnable hard, raw material, bank, sales, wages and salaries, utility expense, and last, borrowing. Next step of accounting cycle is trial balance. Trial balance is a list of all account balance in a business to check if the total debits equal to total credit, ensuring the accounts are accurate. For July 2024, Malu-Malu Cafe got 169,000 ringgit in their trial balance. The fifth process of accounting cycle is adjustment. Adjustment means updating the accounts at the end of a period to make sure all income and expenses are recorded in the right time. This helps show the true financial position of a business. The next step of accounting cycle is adjusted trial balance. Adjusted trial balance is a list of all accounts and their balance after adjustment has been made at the end of a accounting period. It ensures that total debit still equal to total credit and reflects the updated balance used to prepare financial statement like the income statement and balance sheet.
Next, statement of profit or loss, or known as income statement. By doing this statement, we can identify that the company achieved either profit or loss. As you can see here, Malu-Malu Cafe has achieved its profit for July 2024. Next, after we do the income statement, we will proceed to the next step, which is statement of financial position, or known as balance sheet. By doing this, it will summarize what the company owns, like its assets, liabilities, and equities. There are 5 components in statement of financial position. The first one is current asset, non-current asset, current liabilities, non-current liabilities, and equity. The asset needs to be equal with the liability and equity. As you can see in here, these are the statement of financial position for Malu-Malu Cafe for the year ended 31st July 2024. We can see that the total asset amount and the total liability plus equity amount is the same, which is 135,000 ringgit.
In summary, accounting plays a crucial role in ensuring efficient business operation by providing tools to analyze performance, monitor and manage cash flow, and track profit and loss. For example, Malu-Malu Cafe stands out as a successful business in the food and beverage industry. Its success can be attributed to effective management strategy, which streamline business processes and ensure smooth operation. This strong management approach a key factor that enable Malu-Malu Cafe to consistently achieve business target and maintain position as thriving enterprise.